Hi, this is Candace here, and I'm coming to you today with a veganized BLT. BLT wrap. I have my vegan meal on a flour tortilla. I have my vegan bacon right here. See it? And I have my lettuce and tomatoes. I'm going to take this. Take this come on, stay on lettuce. See, the lettuce, can't even speak. The lettuce is acting up because I'm on camera. Okay, there it goes. So all the vegan meat was on this side. Well, not all of it, a lot of it. Because I'm going to wrap this side like so. Then I'm going to put it on that side. Being that I put it with a lot of mayo on it, it'll stick like this, you see? So now I have my vegan BLT wrap. Let me take a bite. This is going to be some real ASMR. This is so good. A little piece of lettuce come out. This looks really, really good. Look at it from this angle, guys. I see everything. I'm about to kill that in 2 more bites. Then I have some good old H2O. This is a quick snack. Thanks for watching.